Hi Jason, here is the 2024 RS3. We can take a look around it, take a look at the inside, and I'll kind of go over a couple things with you. So here's the beautiful selenite gray exterior. I'll give it some revs, start it up for you, make sure you can hear everything, make sure everything sounds and looks good. Here's a look at that beautiful diamond stitched red interior. Oh, sorry. If you have any other questions on the car, please don't hesitate. Give me a call, 207-510-2281.